So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday, the 16th of January. Now, let's have a look what price and where it may likely go. So on the 15th, we were looking in around this 110.73. We did have a minor reaction towards that 110.73. We did see a breakdown test, and we saw further sell side continuation here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. What we have seen, however, is we do seem to find a bit of a bottom at present. We are having a bit of a retracement here. It does look pretty strong. Might turn into a bit of a reversal here. We'll reverse the entire move all the way up to 113.56. Can't really say that now, but we did come as low as in around that 110.35. So we didn't get quite down to the 110 round number, but we came down to 110.35. And we are seeing a bit of a bounce here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. We broke back through the 1073 with a significant candle, quite a bit of momentum, quite a bit of buy side momentum. The very next level that we are looking at is in around that 111 level. I didn't mark it out on the chart previously on the sell downwards, but I won't forget this time. So we're going to change the color here to I'm just going to change, make sure it is at 111 because that's important. But on the initial sell side momentum, where I did say I was expecting prices to retrace before, because heading towards 1160 before, we'd expect some selling from last week. Let's just change the color here. Just going to change the color to a blue. There we are. So, and the reason I've put in the 111 level, I'm just going to pretty much show you quickly on the daily charts. It's pretty obvious, and let's just make a pen. So the reason I'm putting 111 is pretty much there. We saw price came down to in around at 111 before we did see some buy side momentum come into the market. Ultimately, however, the actual low here was, let's just see where our lowest low was. Our lowest low here was in around at 110.84, but 111. That's pretty much where I've put the level, and we'll see how prices react when we do get up there. We do look poised to head up there. At present, we are currently at 93, so it's 7 pips. So it's definitely going to come into focus. We'll see if we do get a negative reaction from sell side momentum, possibly taking it down to that 1073, possibly retracing all the way back down to 1035. If you do break beyond 1035, the next, let's just see where the next logical levels are. So in around at 110 level. So in around 110, if we do break down from this 111, and we do break down below the 1073 and 1035, 110 is the level I'll come into focus, beyond which we're looking for 109.50 to the downside. If, however, we do see the upside continuation, we do break above this 111 level. Now, we would be looking for prices to head towards the significant level marked out here in red of 1160. We were looking to possibly see if we do see resistance, as we have in the past, possibly taking that down to 111. If, however, we do see a breakout above this 111 level, we are looking to see our price react towards that 200 period moving average marked out here in blue, as well as the weekly pivot of 12.15. Now, I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, 12.15 at present. But if we do have sufficient market volatility, the very next logical levels that we are looking at is around 12.52, coupled with the 400 period moving average, adding to greater confluence and likelihood of potential sell side momentum entering the market. If we do head up to that 12.52, possibly taking us down to 12.15 or possibly 11.60. If, however, we do break above 12.52, the very next logical level again would be up to 12.77, and 12.77 would be the very next level that we are looking at on the US dollar against Japanese yen. And with that said, that should pretty much wrap up everything in regards to the US dollar Japanese yen. We've mentioned all levels to the downside that we are looking at, and what we do expect from price action at present. So with that said, thanks for watching.